If you are a Hamster Kombat CEO and you haven't gotten your gas fee ready, definitely you are doing the wrong thing. So if you are new to the world of crypto and you are not familiar with that word gas fee simply means fee required to successfully conduct a transaction or execute a contract on the Ethereum blockchain platform. I'm going to break it down to your understanding. When we talk of gas fee serve as a fuel in your car. Let's say for example you want to travel from Lagos to Abuja, and in order to move your car from Abuja to Lagos you will need to buy fuel, right? You will need to fuel the car in order to move from Lagos to Abuja. So that is the work of gas fee when it comes to crypto. Let me remind you again that Hamster Kombat is launching anytime soon, and if eventually Hamster Kombat launch and you have not gotten your gas fee ready, you are going to experience a lot of difficulties that day, because Hamster Kombat has billions of users, and have you ever imagined how frustrating it would be that billions of people will be trying to carry out transaction on Ton platform at the same time? That is going to cause a lot of network traffic, and you know what that means. You will find a lot of problem issues. You will be frustrated in the process of trying to buy your gas fee. So the right thing to do is to make sure you have gotten at least 1 ton in your wallet right there, so that once Hamster Kombat launch its token, you will claim your airdrop without stress, right? So if you are watching this video, I will advise you to watch this video to the very end, because in this video I'm going to show you how to get your gas fee step by step, how to buy your coins, how to swap, and how to convert it to Ton coin. So make sure you watch this video to the end. And meanwhile, if you are coming across my channel for the first time and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button, so that whenever I post a new video like this, you will be notified. So guys, let's dive in today's video. Alright, so in this video I will be using Tonkeeper. I don't really know the wallet you are using right there. You can see my Tonkeeper here. So I'll be transferring from Bybit to Tonkeeper. So what we need to do right now is to head over to Bybit, and this is how Bybit looks like. So guys, what we are to do here is to convert USDT to Ton. And how do we do that? You can see that convert there, so you go ahead and click on convert. So you can see right here we are to convert USDT to Ton. And how do we do that? You can see where they wrote from. Now what you are seeing there on preset is BTC, and at the bottom you can see which is converting from BTC to USDT. So what we are to do here is to convert USDT to Ton. So what you need to do there is to go ahead and click on that drop down menu there and select USDT, then come to the one under and select Ton. Now to do that, click on the drop down menu, and instead of it to keep scrolling down, go ahead and type Ton, and you can see there Ton. So you click on it. Once you click on it, you can see here what we have here is from USDT to Ton. So the next thing to do there is to select the amount you want to convert, the amount of USDT or the quantity of USDT you want to convert to Ton. So since on my account right there what I have is 3.50, so I will type 3.50 USDT, or you can equally click on max. Max simply means maximum. So once you click on maximum, the whole numbers of USDT there will automatically reflect there. So now you have selected the quantity of USDT you want to convert to Ton. The next thing to do there is to go ahead and switch, is to go ahead and click on the quotes under. You can see it right there, quotes. So you click on quotes. So right here you can see that the time is counting down. Make sure you click on this confirm before the time counts out. You can see that order is processing. Alright, so at this point we have successfully converted our USDT to Ton, right? You can see the right there, conversion completed. Don't forget, what we just finished doing is converting our USDT to ton. So the next thing to do here is to go back to your Tonkeeper. So I will go back to my Tonkeeper. You can see this is my Tonkeeper wallet. So you can see everything is 0. So the next thing to do right now, you can see the send and also receive. So what we are doing here, we are receiving, we are not sending. So the next thing to do there is to go ahead and click on the receive. Alright, so you can see here, this is your wallet address, receive ton coin. So you can see at the bottom right there, copy. What you need to do there is to click on the copy. So what we need to do now is to go back to Bybit and transfer the ton coin which we have just converted from Bytbit. So we have to send it to this Tonkeeper wallet. So let's go back to Bytbit. Don't forget, what we did before was converting USDT to ton, and at this point, since we are sending this to another wallet, go ahead and click on the withdraw button right there. Alright, so you can see the ton. So you can see the ton right there. The next thing to do there is to go ahead and click on the ton. So guys, at this point you can see the address, network. So that address which you copied from Tonkeeper, go ahead and paste it where they wrote address, and at the bottom there you will see their network. Make sure the network there is ton. Don't forget, you are transferring to ton network, so select ton, and at the bottom there you can see the amount of ton coin which you want to transfer to your Tonkeeper. So you go ahead and click on. You can also see the tax, so that one is optional, it is not necessary, so you go ahead and skip it. Now here you go ahead and type the numbers of ton which you want to send to your Tonkeeper. So instead of me to continue typing just as I'm doing here, I will rather click on max, and automatically all the ton coins which I have already converted before will appear here. Before you click on withdraw, make sure everything here is okay. Make sure you have selected everything and click on withdraw. So once you click on withdraw, this is what you will see: security verification. Here they want to be sure you are the person trying to carry out this transaction. So go ahead and click on confirm, and you will be navigated to here where you will need to receive a code. So a code will be sent to the email address which you linked to this Bytbit. You can see right here. So I have successfully input my code, and you can see it right here, withdrawal application submitted. Now let's go back to a Tonkeeper to confirm if this transaction was done successfully. So you can see here right here in my Tonkeeper wallet, $2.73 has been deposited right here. So guys, if you watch this video to this moment and you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. That is the only way you can fuel me, right? That is the only way you can support me. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If there's anything you want me to do video about, drop it in the comment section. And don't forget, if you are using different wallet and you don't know how to do it, drop it in the comment section and I will do a separate video for that. Thank you guys. See you in my next video.